Students, I'm going to give a beautiful introduction for you. Can you guess the chapter name or can you give the title of that chapter? Now, what I am telling, listen carefully. Day to day life. Day to day life. At the market. At the market. Actually, at the market we are buying some vegetables. Suppose you will buy potatoes and brinjals. Actually, cost of potatoes you don't know. Potatoes and brinjals. Cost of potatoes you don't know. Cost of brinjals you don't know. That's why unknown quantities are denoted by X or Y. Cost of potatoes X, rupees X. Cost of brinjals per kg rupees Y. Here unknown quantities X and Y. The cost of potatoes per kg X rupees. The cost of brinjals per kg Y rupees. First day, day 1, you bought 4 kgs, so 4 into X, plus you bought brinjals 5 kgs, 5 into Y. So finally 4x plus 5y is equal to you paid rupees total 100 rupees. This is equation 1. Next day, you bought 5 kg potatoes plus and 4 kg brinjals. The cost is equal to rupees 250. This is second equation. 5x plus 4y is equal to 250 rupees. Here I got two equations. What is the first equation? 4x plus 5y is equal to 10 and 5x plus 4y is equal to rupees 250. You are seeing here two equations. At the market, we bought potatoes and brinjals. 4 kg potatoes, 5 kg brinjals first day. Second day, 5 kg potatoes and 4 kg brinjals. Total you paid 250 rupees. This is first situation, day to day life. At the stationery means at the book stall. Now second situation, at the book stall. Actually, pens and pencils you bought. Cost of pen, cost of pencils you don't know, but their cost difference there. Cost of pencil, cost of pencil rupees X and cost of pen rupees Y. Unknown quantities. Actually cost of pen you don't know, cost of pencil you don't know. That's why I have taken cost of pen X, cost of pencil Y I have taken here. Now look here, first day and second day. First day you bought 5 pencils into X plus 6 pens into Y. 5x plus 6y is equal to you paid 75 rupees. Come close to second day. You bought 6 pencils into X, 7 pens into Y. 6x plus 7y is equal to you paid 100 rupees. Here also you got two equations. First equation 5x plus 6y is equal to 75. Second equation 7x plus 7y is equal to 100 rupees. So here you are seeing at the market two equations, at the bookstall two equations. First equation generated on vegetables, second two equations are generated on articles. One is pencil, one is pen. Total UN. From them you got some equations. Listen children, not only at the market, not only at the bookstall and meat market and everywhere you go. For example, electronics goods there. You can go and buy some TVs and home theaters. Cost of home theater, cost of TV. You can take. You don't know that cost of TV and cost of home theater. For example, you bought two TVs means 2 into X plus 2 home theaters 2 into Y. 2X plus 2Y is equal to somewhat you paid. From here also you got one beautiful equation. Here we are seeing X comma Y, two variables. Two variables are there. X is a variable and Y is a variable. This X is common to two situations, first condition and second condition. This Y is common to first equation and second equation. Next look here, two conditions. From two conditions we got two equations. At the bookstall, first condition we got 5x plus 6y is equal to 75. Second equation we got 6x plus 7y is equal to 100. In four equations you are seeing two common variables. What are the variables? X and Y only. Not only at the market, at the bookstall, in day-to-day life, you can observe, you can make the equations like this. You got first equation 4x plus 5y. Second equation 5x plus 4y is equal to 50. Come close to bookstall. 5x plus 6y is equal to 75. 6x plus 7y is equal to 100. To find the x value and y value, then you will get the answers. X and y both are satisfy these two equations. X and y both are satisfy these two equations. You know, from these you will get one unique solution. Unique solution here. And here also you will get one unique solution. Here satisfy these two equations. This solution also satisfy these two equations. Finally, what I am telling, once listen here. This is number. This is also number. Here 5 is a number, 4 is a number, 5 is a number, 6 is a number, 6 is a number, 7 is a number. In generally a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are general equations. Now I am telling the chapter name. These are called linear equation in two variables and pair of linear equations in two variables. A pair of A1 here x comma y variables A1 comma B1 comma C1, A2 comma B2 comma C2 are real numbers. Real numbers means A1 comma B1 C1 comma A2 B2 C2 belongs to real numbers. Are you seeing properly? These are pair of linear equations in two variables. X comma y are variables and A1 B1 C1 are numbers. A1 B1 C1, A1 A2 B2 C2 are numbers. So A2 B2 C2 and A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 belongs to real numbers. Now understand how you will get this linear equation in two variables. Day to day life. From day to day life, we are going to get linear equation. This is the formation of linear equation in two variables form. Look children, total problems. For example, some applications based on articles. Application to problems based on articles. Based on ages. Based on fractions. Based on speed, time and distance. Some dignitaries generated some problems on articles, on ages, on fractions, speed, time and distances. To find the value of x and y, it is only satisfy these two equations. To find x value, y value, how can you find the x and y values? For that you can use three methods. First method. To find the x value and y value. First, second, third. Three methods are there. First method, substitution method. Substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Elimination method. Third one, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. These are the methods to find x value and y value. To find x value, you can use any one method. From these three methods, you can use substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. You can use and find the value. Actually, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variables, and pair of two linear equation in two variables. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. To find the x value and y value, you can use three methods. From these, any one method you can use and find the values of x and y. Substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Some mathematicians generated some problems on articles based on ages, based on fractions, based on speed, time and distances. So, look children, who are watching this video, please share this to the 10th class students and కాంపిటేటివ్ టెస్ట్ టేకర్స్ who are going to attempt the competitive exams, please share this, especially please share this video to village students. దయచేసి ఈ వీడియో ఎవరైతే చూస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు గ్రామీణ విద్యార్థులకు షేర్ చేసేలా చూడండి. అదేవిధంగా కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసేవాళ్ళు 8th క్లాస్ 9th క్లాస్ 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులు ఈ వీడియోని చూసి దయచేసి షేర్ చేయాల్సిందే కోరుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.